Mema wakwa by GC News, hot news all time, latest and hot news. And I'm the Bremo. Kennedy Agyapong, what they send me a Jáiling ambulance case you know a year at Forson a year causing financial loss to the state at the border. Now for your assembly, Kennedy didn't send to Gyamfi. Asana me Kennedy didn't send me in Alabama. Mr. Say when you subscribe to the channel now, Mr. Say over subscribe. What they are and say over click the subscribe button. Now what barely notification. We understand video for phobia they upload also once ever can be. I feel we are now like video and give us a thumbs up, nothing. What share my offer for so now we may be now one share. I feel we have got a year Godfred Attorney General. What the Akufo-Addo could be a man in the copy of courts there, and then some degree from a ambulance case you want one day financial loss about na Godfred I am against a kiani say with daily Akufo-Addo and on a year which is Jakpa a therapy homes and Simbaya a year phone soon come up one record a year better pointing a year and send it and again I didn't seem to that to say a year financial loss to the state idea about a year Akufo-Addo or no or disagree about the teaching a na yesembe no intentama yembo eko Kennedy Agyapong na kachi ekutie nsema awode tudiabra asem we ba ya no so oche na dimfan nyina nim se nsema do tudian anye NPP fo bebre de na so no de okano kwenti wakana se yenti nsema Kennedy Agyapong tudia yenti nsema.
Since 1920, basically, the only credible politician I know in Ghana who is objective, who is sincere, consistently, or cannot get kind of crazy compare Agyapong.
Was it since when?
1920.
Honestly, I'll be frank. My name says someone will quote me, but I disagree. I disagree with Forson. Yes, now truth will kill me because Owusu will be a minister of finance. Nese ministry be edine yabano establish LC manual. Now kasadia any more ministers na motiwana mu heli say. But I'm telling you, my reading kakra, and I'm just saying, in principle, Sawuka James said Forson causing financial loss to the state because he established an LC for a ministry. It is not his responsibility to check, say, it is the responsibility of that particular ministry.
But today, we NPP, we NC take emotions out. Yeah. Let's reason, let's think as ordinary Ghanaians. Because I also want this kind of situation. How are you going to feel? Kennedy Agyapong, he is not a pastor, he is not a prophet or something, but Nyankopon man adi obi ani obi o ka no kure bia shabu Nyankopon bet match waje bi nobody tries to get it. What take it you say I have gone through and I've read the omode ya to Forson me hu say anya de papa. The Attorney General is always calling Japan at all hours, talking to him, saying say omra no medi Trump fan to Forson so na to Forson yenchi fan to and ba ye no if you listen to Godfred and the spokesperson almost say sa papa komini omuni nim komo and upon all what the NPP said no be kan ye nyina no they couldn't provide one evidence. No audio, no video, no picture to base the evidence or evidences and say I deal with Ato Forson Koko Pacho. And I say go for them. Yes. On your serious me say and I say why due diligence. Nipa na wouldn't need the assembly. So obje de beji need to that. Thank you. Edi Jakpa. But Attorney General told us say we shall once per hour Jáiling.
So chantro. But frankly, Ken be Attorney General as many
Shabu, if you listen to Ato Forson one, Ato Forson acted because he was a deputy finance minister. On your expert, he's not a technical person. If you go to the Ministry of Health, they are the technical people. Yeah. They wrote to Ato Forson and Ato Forson said because it was urgent and it's what the letter. But the issue now is technical know-how and expertise, due diligence.
John the money, Mahama. Now. By Bresso,
yes,
and I'm saying Minister of Health, yes, say ambulance and I call man as at that time 26 on per se procure about 200 ambulances.
Yes,
I'm saying cost what about 2.37 million euros, and I'm saying the then Deputy Minister of Finance, Kennedy Agyapong, now minority leader, I'm saying a common letter of credit, and I in Zimbabwe, but and some echo court on number Ken. On no man left a casino. That of a cake in a hostel, the late cake in a hostel. But I can't send me. But I question video at the back.
Honestly, I'll be frank. My name says someone will quote me. But I disagree. I disagree with Ato Forson. Yes. Now truth will kill me because Owusu will be a minister of finance. Nese ministry bi edina yaba no establish LC manwa now kasa dia ene mo ministers na mo tiwo na mo heli sai mo hwe ni
ana we bia bibi wo mo wonim
well but I'm telling you my reading kakra and I'm just saying in principle so we can say Forson causing financial loss to the state because he established an LC for a ministry. It is not his responsibility to check say anyone buyer anasama. It is the responsibility of that particular ministry. I will establish an LC on his behalf to check.
And on to the BSS or any.
What you say? Media, Mrs. Awu Yusu and no as causing causing financial loss to the state. I disagree.
Okay.
Me must state my position. Me so watching but
oh, there be
maybe
anya facts ni na available.
I know the facts. I know. What you say? I disagree because yes, sir, ministers, you are not even empowering anybody to sign anything because they will take a clue from Forson. It is a whole reform, sir. No,
unfortunately, no, Forson is in court. He has not been sentenced. So they are okay.
Yeah,
I think so. Obey give the case.
Right. I'm saying court to a young canopy. But me no but my state me position means no. I can't. Any I am not against Obi Awam this can no. But the quality of so me I've always had a problem with causing financial loss to the state. So I charge it. Honestly.
Honorable Ken can maybe Honorable Ken say or ye bosom or ye nyame ketwa or and still she also nipa be and different. She offer Honorable Ken Abrabwa who quite fast kind of credit. Quanya be fast wa we near din. Irrespective by be at the kind of credit, we will call what you say me, yes, me, but I'm going to speak the truth. Me no credit me kumi, but then me come no kumi. But Honorable Ken can't say no credit. And now shed and now press conference. NDC 4 year, any MP before the year. Press conference about social media about travel chair back. It tells you and some see. Both the NDC 4 at the bar, see Attorney General Godfred Dame, Kuchi, Ubia no court say, Uncle dear dance here, in Tiana Yonko. Now 7 pennies say, so what's that 1 2 years so? Cassa sorry so, and Cassa sorry also on the sword the boss. So, ultimate Kuchi Urano. Jáiling Kesla who is somebody who is a coach of Jakpa also. Franco, yes, I will say, Martin letter of credit, letter of credit, a credit card, and I say a ECG bill, and I Jawaku school. Ah, so say, be a take credit card, also a crutch, meaning say, be a first and taking telephone, the education, and Yamamoku school, there be a mistake class, but today, Kojo Kyeremanteng, we NPP, we NC take emotions out. Yeah. Let's reason. Let's think as ordinary Ghanaians. Mr. Owusu, now what this kind of situation? How are you going to feel? If Forson, if Odame is your friend, a brother, a relative, and as I be paying you can 74 money, Jakpa can 74 more, how are you going to feel? Chabu, first, what radio is what we can do, PBR. But so many panel, last year, can you panasama, it goes to your veins. Yeah. Mekai, a drew baby, and let me be emphatic over here. Countryman so. And Jimmy Boss what Tem Casims are I felt the pains within me. Because be Kobe my father normal. But if the partner here can't is a close associate or allied to you, it goes beyond this kind of stuff. Akwese, me nya opportunity no honorable Ken Nanti. Thank you. Me who's how ni papa how disciplined, how bold are ye. Na no kre kanti. Ghana for nyina MP. Na wote se enkula sabi ye ba abrabom sikamu nyansamu nimdiemu omombe Kennedy Agyapong in the name of political yes. You feel pain within up to now maybe say tinyankopon mie Ghana for ni you feel it and I'm too careful. Yeah. I'm going to choose my words carefully, very circumspect about this particular matter. Why you Ghana take emotions out? Yeah. Take say I belong to the NPP, I belong to the NDC.
let's deal with this particular matter. The other kind, in the history of Ghana politics, since 1920, basically, the only credible politician I know in Ghana who is objective, who is sincere, consistently, or cannot get kind of question compared to Japan.
Was it since when?
1920. The only politician I know who is credible, who had integrity also, also consistently consistent, dealing with matters, compared to Japan. None other. Akufo-Addo Nekedi Kumani, he made a statement and he quoted a wrong exchange rate. Kedi came out to tell him, hey, Massa, sanity. I'm just coming from the bank. The figures that you are quoting are directly wrong. And sanity. If you look at Kenya compared to Japan, in the history of this Fourth Republic, apart from I belong to the NPP, but I'm trying to be objective about matters. The NPP for any. Now, in the constitution of the new patriotic party, now you catch them. So it is enshrined in their constitution. So any party member defend the party, whether in good or bad times.
Okay.
It's a nipa call radio and TV so and any opportunity to be a so kasa. Nipa I have to speak into the interest of the new patriotic party. And a lot of people who are NPP people are in bed with Godfred Odame. The NPP as a political party, they assemble big time lawyers over there to talk about SAG and to force issue. The NDC also bring out their people. They also talk about it. And who is saying more objectivity? Where the need about Kennedy Agyapong Agyapong. Eka say way about 2 years ago. Eka say, if you look at what the new patriotic party, somebody to force now, they should be extremely careful. Or say you should ready. Oh, we have one sir, no asha. He's telling the NPP ministers and a day and a time will come, it will catch him.
Because letter of credit, the MC Obia, Minister Bia can share a letter of credit.
Me, I majored in accounting. I did banking and finance. I did become. As some I make come, I did company law. It was school. So I'm going to tell you two things. And now, we NPP in say, my heart bleeds for Ghana. I'm telling
me, Bo, I tell you, Kennedy Ghana fool. Or can't some now. And this will be cut on a can, crowd, a dear no ye, or per se or ha or more dear, but and then above. What kind of case are some making? I did you with the matrampas who did them. But said, and even look at how the late Keke wanted to engage him. As a person, just as a Kenya compare Agyapong is trying to put San or NPP for Garim and the NPP because NPP told Ghanaians say the NDC has done fish and corruption deals. Or maybe they are going to arrest them. So it was a grand opportunity for them to push this kind of agenda. Kennedy Agyapong Agyapong, he is not a pastor, he is not a prophet or something. But Nyankopon man adi obi ani bi. Obi o kan okwe bia shabu. Nyankopon bet match wadi bi. Nobody tries to get it. Who take it? You are saying, I have gone through and I've read. The omode ya to force no. Me hu ni say anya de papa. Na ofa kwa take ka say ebia da also I have also read through.
Shabu, what say? I'm also privy to information. And the idea now what person ya to force no. Enya de papa, let's be objective, let's be truthful. Enya de papa, this Kennedy Agyapong Agyapong. How many people in the NPP can come out and say, at the end of the year, to force it is strong, if it is true?
And Ken said Ghana first. No, it's better to be any penny free.
Thank you.
So in this NPP, no, or in this, and at the end of you can't try to so. At some night, can I know correct? You defend
today, NPP is in power. Or today, NPP can go to opposition, the table 10. I don't know to force, so make me there you be. Can the NPP come out and say what they are saying today? Can they just I didn't any panel yet the papa? And say when some more and not be seen the meeting die. The way Ghana is going, you are here to get to a time. Or Ben workers will be able to be Sabu.
Because if a whole attorney general,
I am Jabakumu. He's not just an attorney general,
a minister of justice.
Yes. From what I saw yesterday, basically, Odame is no more the minister of justice. He is now the minister of injustice.
Like the own say no my police for BBI say yeah they didn't call AG department attorney general for an advice. Na nipa na what oppressade over advice no. Say if say nipa na timi ekuchu bi say koka oni for wintuma. The attorney general, why should the police stay? The attorney general is the senior legal advisor to the president.
Uma de with the Emia. Asama Yakan, Emia said parties involved your more. Attorney General Office. Attorney General is being paid by Ghanaians, taxpayers' money. And I can say just why are you defending each other? You never the law course and take 8 course. But I don't get it. Every 4 year press conference, and it's 4 year press conference. And then I'm going to look at the genesis of the matter. I'm also going to look at the legalities. And I'm also going to look at the political influence and the party's influence. Chabu,
Franco.
And then in 2007,
okay,
a month 4 year campaign, we enter into 2008. There is an election.
Yeah.
You're winning the NDC won the election.
Sure.
Now, after winning the election, John Evans Atamos was sworn in as the president in 2009.
Sure.
Now, when Mills became the president, there was a cabinet meeting in Koso. And the meeting, it came out saying, now if you look at national ambulance in Ghana, it is between the range of 24 to 26 million.
Yeah.
The whole Ghana.
Yeah.
Ghana can over 30 million population. If you look at ambulance, a year 24 to 26.
Okay.
So they decided to say no. And as idea, I said to make sure a lot of ambulance.
Yeah.
One primary responsibility of every government is the health care of its people.
Yeah, and the
And Jane, say President Biba, Ghana, when it comes to health, in Yan chain, no maybe. So JE News, and then in Court for Transcasa, there is idea. I said to make sure a lot of ambulances are ever. Now, Sabu,
Franco.
if you look at Sanoman, it was said, so ambulance 200 it should come into 4 trenches. 4 trenches in each part, they say, a first trench, but first 50, second 50, third 50, fourth 50. Because the Ministry of Health, I catch a bunch of financially, they are not sound. Only financially robust. And it's almost is going to affect them. And it's like what we imagine say they have to look for banks.
Okay.
Our bank limit me more loan facilities. Every na call pesa cars and diaba. Now buy a judge me do a place Canada.
Okay.
Shabu.
Franco.
Now, if you look at Adia Ekosu Ninaya, when you're so sorry, I know you. It went to the right process.
Procurement.
The process that can start here was a health committee of parliament.
In parliament.
Yes, giving the approval and consent about it.
Okay.
At that time, Nipa no one chairman of the health committee is a Orion Mutaka.
Okay.
The health committee comprises of the NPP and the NDC.
Some more ranking members.
Thank you.
Committee.
And the other one say Nipa 13. 7 will be coming from the NDC. 5 will be coming from the NPP. At that moment, NDC was majority in power.
Yeah.
Into co-parliament, okay. So we can say, constitute Bibiakwana, a sense of doors, no go na.
Sure.
So, Mutaka was a chairman of the AFS Health Committee.
Yeah.
And Omujitu, both the NPP and the NDC, here's the ambulance, and we have to pass through the appropriate and right channel. And Pampa Saibu, a cocoa.
Okay.
Now, the Ministry of Health rise to the Ministry of Finance. Say, Yakwa Yamkoma Bibi, Ebi Yakwa Cars Nebi, Aka the City Tony Adeba, Nemo Messica Samonso, Yana Banks at Dinkomwe. See the Uncle for this. I am Passa Ban as much as we want the Ministry of Finance to give us a certain kind of condition. As our condition, what they qualify judgments I'm Asana more can earn.
Yeah, I buy.
Thank you. And Omoyaye, and Omoko Akufo-Addo, he was the Deputy Minister for Finance. And Akufo-Addo gave them the letter of credit.
A letter of credit, yeah.
Shabu, say, cast a letter of creditor. A idea, Yade Mount. Say, Obetimia Konem Kofra Kwaku Dinkumo, but it should meet specifications and conditions. And Ebia, your mouse had to me crate, Jenafako. For example, Ebia Shabula sees never pay a catcher, say, ye hear phones for Fofro, and a Juma. The phones for na year pen, see a quack, see a quack, because of say conditional process woman. So I could phone any brand near refurb the brayer, yen.
But letter credit H, that was a catcher company, says, yes. Sanko fu in ye dimu Ediamo in case if you cry your music assembly yes. And just to make sure that yes are financial wealthy.
Thank you. And it comes with conditions and specifications. And we'll say a letter of credit is a contractual commitment by the foreign buyers bank to pay once the exporter ships the goods and presents the required document to the exporters bank as proof.
Yeah.
And you should already find Forson. Say because at that material moment, the Ministry of Health no Muniska. You know other catch there almost says so more. I didn't know who sent to me. Ghana for here ambulance no. Say bet me Abama Ghana it's my phone into a PDF. So give us the letter of credit. Now listen to this. Ghana letter of credit no. Nippon Academy so signed the man should be the substantive minister, the head minister.
Oh, yeah.
Minister of Finance.
Yeah.
And it's only why the deputy must sign the man. But the deputy should seek authorization
from the head,
from the boss,
the substantive minister himself or herself.
Yes. And see Evan says Setepe. Omuka be na to force any clarification from Setepe. And I share the call ya. Can I some abbey? I can Setepe with Marcus and maybe who get film. I don't know anything about it. Disabled letter of credit in echo. Echo, and you see a coffee cast in the buy. Cast in the buy, almost it's not fit for purpose.
Okay.
Almost it's a sprinter. And yaka ambulance, this anomano. And a sad ya. Or why a friend at Forson. The letter of credit no the buy, the letter of credit and Mama Ghana Sika Kwakoshi and as idea he has caused financial loss to Ghana.
But all about one more
Meba.
Yo, it's for Mikael say GC so and now we no so we now subscribe ya. Let's just say over subscribe no I like it. Now we share video no ama offer for so enya bi na wa hwe. We so betimi a kire wa den afa eye ensem we nyina ho e wo comment box mu. Mo beti nkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.